How can you make your Apple Watch look bigger? Let me show you a couple of methods that are available. If you're new here on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you grab the iPhone where you used to, where you set up the Apple Watch, then go to the Watch app, and a part of the display and brightness section in these sort of settings, you can see the text size. That is kind of important because you can bump up the size of every text. No matter what you do, all of the text will be larger based on this setup in here. You also have a bold text toggle, so not only you make it larger, you can also make it thicker looking, so it will be, easier to read. Then you can, of course, check out the accessibility section of your watch settings, and then you can see we have more things like increase contrast. This will make, of course, all of the other things more prominent, and also something like reducing transparency might be better for you. So play around with these labels and options in here. However, what I want you to also take a look at is the zoom feature. So this zoom feature is not like a solution which is going to work all the time, but it's just a temporary thing. So if you have the zoom feature enabled, you'll be able to double click the screen of your watch with two fingers, like you perform this gesture, and you'll be able to just zoom in on some different things of the watch. As I said, it's not permanent change, or it's not going to stay like that all the time. It's just for a situation where you quickly want to zoom in a bit more like that. So you perform this gesture, move it like that, and it will be much larger. Then you double tap the screen again, it will go back to normal. So you can just have that feature enabled and use it whenever necessary. So these are the ways to make your Apple Watch look bigger. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.